Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sophia. Today, we're going to practice listening and understanding English by talking about social media. This lesson is perfect for A1 English learners who want to improve their vocabulary and speaking skills. Talking about social media. Nowadays, many people have social media apps on their phones and computers. Social media helps people communicate with their friends and family, and it's also used for many other things. However, social media has both positive and negative aspects. Let's talk about different social media apps and some of the challenges they bring. Facebook. The most famous app is Facebook. Facebook is very popular all around the world. People use Facebook on their computers and their phones. I think more people use Facebook on their phones, not their computers. Facebook was invented in 2004, but it wasn't popular then. I started using Facebook in 2010. When did you start using Facebook? Using Facebook. On Facebook, you can post text, pictures, and videos. When you post something, all your friends can see it. You can also use Facebook to send messages. You can send messages to one person or to a group. You can also follow people and pages on Facebook. I follow some news pages so I can see the news on Facebook. You can do many things on this app, but I don't really like Facebook. Negatives of Facebook. One downside of Facebook is that it can be addictive. Some people spend too much time on Facebook and forget about their responsibilities. Also, Facebook can sometimes make people feel bad when they see others posting about their perfect lives. A good piece of advice is to limit your time on Facebook and focus on positive interactions. Instagram. Now, let's talk about Instagram. Instagram is a popular app for young people. People use this app to post pictures and videos. If you like pictures, then you'll probably like Instagram. I don't like Facebook, but I do like Instagram. I like it because it's fun to look at photos on Instagram. You can follow other people to see their pictures. Some people like following celebrities and other famous people. Using Instagram. Another thing you can do on Instagram is post an Instagram story. You can post many photos and videos to your story. I don't usually post on Instagram, but I look at other people's posts. I think that Instagram is better than Facebook. Negatives of Instagram. One problem with Instagram is that it can make people feel insecure. When people see others living amazing lives or looking perfect, they might feel unhappy with themselves. It's important to remember that people usually post only the best parts of their lives. It's good advice to use Instagram to share positive things and not compare yourself to others. Twitter. Another social media app that people use is Twitter. I don't have Twitter, so I don't really know how to use it, but I know that it's a popular app all around the world. Many people use this app to follow the news. People post news stories on Twitter. I don't need a Twitter account because I can read the news on Facebook. Snapchat. Another app that young people use is Snapchat. I had Snapchat when I was younger, but now I don't. People use Snapchat to send pictures and short videos to each other. Then these pictures and videos disappear after you view them. Other social media apps. There are many other social media apps too. The world loves social media. However, it's important to use social media carefully. Spending too much time on social media can be bad for your health. It's good advice to take breaks from your phone and enjoy time with family and friends. That's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me which social media app you like best. I'll see you next time.